everyone, my name is Dhvani Upadhyay. Today my class 5A has gotten a golden opportunity to conduct a morning assembly on the topic Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Now my friend Lavanya is here to present the thought.
Thought of the day. We fight for independence. In the word of Lord Krishna, we will, if we are victorious, enjoy the fruit of victory.
Good morning everyone, I am Atulya Pandey from class 5th A. Today I am going to tell you that when Subhash Chandra Bose was born and died. Subhash Chandra Bose, by name Netaji, our Hindi respected leader, was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was died on August 18, 1945 in Taipei, Taiwan. Indian revolutionary prominent in the independent movement against British rule of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning to everyone. I am Manan Gupta of class 5th A. Here is the question. Who was the father of Subhash Chandra Bose? Jayanti Bose was the father of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father was a famous lawyer and his mother, Prabhavati Devi, was an pious and a religious lady. Subhash Chandra Bose was the 9th child among 14 siblings. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you that why Subhash Chandra Bose was called Netaji. The ideology of Subhash Chandra Bose that he strongly supported the complete independence of India. In 1942, he earned the title Netaji in Germany by Indian force of Azad Hind Force. He was very great and a brave leader of our country, who was also known with his stubborn struggle, which name was Netaji.
Good morning everyone. I am Rishika of class 5th is here to tell you about that what is Subhash Chandra Bose slogan. First, give me blood, I shall give you freedom. Second, Jai Hind, thank you, have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I, Ashni Gandhi of class 5th A, is here to sing a patriotic song on the occasion of Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. Thank you.